All right, guys, so yesterday you were supposed to do this you didn't turn in that you were supposed to keep. So today we're going to review it step by step. Constant variable term. This is a positive constant, so I'm going to subtract it. I get 3x is greater than 6. Divide by my coefficient. X is greater than 2. This is going to be an open circle at 2, and it's greater than, so it goes to the right. Here, I'm dividing by the coefficient because there's no other steps. Because I'm dividing by a negative, that inequality has got to flip. So I get 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. This is a closed circle at negative 5, and it says x is less than or equal to, so my arrow goes to the right. Constant variable term. This is a positive 9, so I've got to subtract 9 from both sides. I get negative 1/2 x is less than or equal to negative 6. We are going to divide by that negative 1/2. Now, again, because we divided by a negative, that inequality flips. It's no longer less than or equal to, it's now greater than or equal to, and negative 6 divided by negative 1/2 is a positive 12. This is a closed circle. So closed circle at positive 12, and it says x is greater than that. So anything to the right of that as well. Constant variable term. This is a positive 10. So I'm going to subtract 10. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. X is less than negative 5 minus 10 is negative 15. Open circle at negative 15, and it's less than that, so it goes to the right. Constant variable term. This is a negative 12, so I'm going to add 12. That creates that 0, remember? If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. I get 4x is less than 20. I'm going to divide by the coefficient, and x is going to be less than 5. This is an open circle at 5, and less than 5 is going to the left. There is no constant. I just have a variable term, so I'm going to divide by that coefficient. This time it is a negative, so we flip the inequality. And I don't know that one off the top of my head, so we're going to go over here. And 4 divided by negative 0.5. Oh, I should have known that one. Negative 8. After I thought about it as a fraction, I would have figured it out. This is an open circle. So I'm going to have an open circle at negative 8, and it's less, so I go to the left. Oh, look, that is not a constant. They switched it up on me. The constant's in a different spot. This is my constant. This is my variable term. I have a negative 10, so I'm going to add 10. 3x is greater than or equal to 12. Divide by that coefficient. This is a positive, so we don't have to flip. X is greater than or equal to 4. So if it's greater than or equal to, it's a closed circle, and it's greater than, so we go to the right. And this last one, this is my constant. This is my variable term. This is a positive 8, so I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. I get negative x is less than or equal to 6. Now, remember, if there's not a number there, it's understood there's an imaginary 1. So we've got to divide both sides by negative 1. Because we divided by a negative, that inequality flipped, and 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6. So I have x is greater than or equal to, so that's a closed circle, negative 6, and I said greater than, so we go to the right. All right, guys. Hope you did good.